Standard form. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What is the standard form? Why it is used. 2. What is the relationship between standard form and other forms of expressing numbers? 3. Why standard form is more suitable than the decomposed form when making operations with numbers. 4. How to write decimals in standard form and vice versa. 5. How to add and subtract numbers in standard form. Why this is much easier than adding or subtracting in the decomposed form. 6. How to multiply and divide numbers in standard form. 7. How to write very big and very small numbers in standard form. 8. How to deal with powers of numbers written in standard form. Introduction. How do you write the number 35,427,000,000,000? 12 trillion? Is it suitable to write them with all those zeros, i.e. in the ordinary form? Why? An atom is about 0.1 nanometer in size. How do you express this number in meters given that 1 meter equals 1 billion nanometer? The previous examples involve very large or very small numbers. Obviously, they can be written as they are, i.e. in the ordinary form. However, there is an alternate method which is much more suitable to express such numbers. This method is going to be explained in this tutorial. That is all for introduction to standard form. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 7.3.1, the meaning of standard form. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.